Now, the World of Phonics is here, and it can be used with the series and independently as a readiness and phonic program that leads the children very gently from phonological to phonemic awareness and then phonics, and from there to the wonder of reading. Reading is an acquired skill and needs clearly defined processes and consolidation. The series is presently for 3 levels: the beginners, level 1 and level 2. And level 2 can also be used as a bridge the gap for class 1, and it will help the children to visit the 42 sounds and symbols and consolidate the learning with vocabulary building, stories, rhymes, alliteration, phonological and phonemic awareness, the closest correct pronunciation, clear diction, oral language, comprehension, blending, segmenting, and build the ability to understand that words are made of sounds, and sounds can be represented by symbols of letters and letter groups. My learning train, World of Phonics, is based on an activity-based methodology, Kinophonics, developed by me in India, and comes with digital and hands-on resources and a whole lot of activities. It has a comprehensive kinophonic activity kit which will help the teachers and parents to set up low-cost activity-based learning phonics centers both in school and in the present circumstances at home.